The institute offers a stipend of 25,000 rupees to all selected candidates for M.Phil clinical psychology and PhD clinical psychology. Hello everyone, welcome to UPS Education. In this video, we are going to talk about a long-awaited admission notification for M.Phil clinical psychology entrance. Yes, I'm talking about NIMHANS. NIMHANS entrance forms for M.Phil clinical psychology and PhD clinical psychology. So NIMHANS has finally announced their applications for academic year 2021 and 2022 for admission in their M.Phil and PhD clinical psychology course. So let's begin with the procedure and do not discontinue the video in between because NIMHANS has announced a little bit more information for this year. So stay tuned to get entire details in this video. So let's start. We have to search UPS Education in Google first and then enter. You can click on the link you can see here. Just open it. Here it is, website is open. So you need to click on updates section because in this section you will get entire details regarding upcoming M.Phil or PhD or any other psychology entrance examination notifications, vacancies, and many more details you will get on this platform only. So here you can see the very first link, NIMHANS M.Phil Clinical Psychology Admission 2021. Just click on that and scroll a little. Here you can see entire details is available on our website. So I'll start with beginning. Yeah, so National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, has released their online applications for M.Phil and PhD clinical psychology course for session 2021. You can read a little details about NIMHANS from here. So I'll jump to the important details. So first of all, for PhD clinical psychology, eligibility is M.Phil in clinical psychology or M.Phil in mental health and social psychology or 2 years master degree in applied psychology, clinical psychology, counseling psychology or psychological counseling. Total number of seats for PhD in clinical psychology is 3. Next, we have M.Phil in clinical psychology. So eligibility for this course is 2 years master degree in applied clinical psychology, counseling psychology, psychological counseling or psychology. Total number of seats is 32. Earlier they have 29 seats, but now they have 32 seats, out of which 26 seats are for all India categories. 3 seats are reserved for Karnataka domiciles and 3 seats are for sponsored category. Next, we have the date of advertisement is 6th April 2021, which is today. So the exam pattern, if we talk about, so exam pattern, it's as mentioned here, the entrance test will be content multiple choice objective questions. The duration of the test will be 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours, and number of question will be 100. And also there will be a negative marking of 0.25. The end date of application is 25th of April 2021, and the major changes they have for this year is that the entrance exam will conduct in Bangalore city only. Earlier they have conducted their exam in Pan India in multiple centers in Delhi and other centers also. But for this year, NIMHANS has mentioned in their prospectors that they will conduct the examination in Bangalore city only. Okay, move ahead. The date of entrance examination is 12th, 13th and 14th May 2021. So out of these 3 days, you will be having your exam on like maybe on 12, 13 or 14. The date of result announcement is 24th May 2020. If we talk about the application fee, it is 1500 for general category. The institute offers a stipend of 25,000 rupees to all selected candidates for M.Phil clinical psychology and PhD clinical psychology, which is a very nice thing about this institute. Next, we have given a link to direct apply and to download the prospectus. So we will first download our prospectus. You can see here, and for a detailed information you can refer this prospectus. You can read the details here. So I was earlier talking about the conduct of entrance examination. So here is the detail mentioned. Eligible candidate for entrance test will be informed to download the hall ticket, which should be proceed at the time of entrance test. And here on the fourth point, you can see the entrance test will be conducted for session 1 and session 2 in Bangalore city only. Okay, so I hope you got this point. And also it is mentioned there that candidate call for entrance test will have to make their own arrangements for food travel and stay where the test is conducted. Okay, so it's for sure that you need to travel Bangalore to give your entrance test, and there will be a negative marking, and 0.25 marks will be deducted for all wrong answers. Okay, so here are the important details. And if you want more details, you can read the complete prospectus. We'll back to the website, and now we'll move to the apply now section. So you need to click here on apply now, and now the portal is open. So if you are a new student, you can click here for new registration, and if you already done with your registration, then you can directly log in with the registration number and password from here. So you can click here for new registration, and this is the form. And this is not a new form, every year they have the same application form, so you can complete, and I hope you all are aware of this form. So you can complete this application from here, and once you complete your fee submission, the last option is fee payment option. So once you complete this process, that means your application is successfully submitted, and at the same time you need to take a printout of it, and you can just keep it with you, because once the admission date will get over, you will not be able to print your application form. So make sure whenever you complete with the payment process, take the printout of your application form immediately. I hope now you are familiar with the admission process of NIMHANS, and if you still have any doubts related to this, you can comment down in comment section, and you can ask any of your doubts. For preparation, if you want to take some guidance from our faculties or any support, you can contact UPS Education. UPS Education has also come up with their new crash course, which is specially for NIMHANS 2021 entrance exam. So you can also check out that. Details of that crash course is available in the description box. You can click on the link to check the details. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Thank you for watching UPS Education.